Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first tutorial video I'm dropping. If you are new to this channel, please kindly show me some love by subscribing to my channel. Without wasting our time, let's get to the real business. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. So let's assume you're trying to record a song, anything, I don't know. So this is what we are going to do. Can you hear the feedback? Yeah, we go to the option, then the audio, then we come to this buffer issue driver. So what we are going to do here is hello. You can actually hear the delay. So it is very simple. All you need to do is just bring this down. 128 is perfect. Good. Hello. Can you see? But for those of us that our CPU is not really strong to be able to handle reducing the buffer rate to the lowest, we can still reduce it around 256. I think that's still perfect. You're actually going to get the same result. Hello. So this is how to do it. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, if you feel you've learned from this video, kindly show me some love by giving me a subscribe. That subscribe button, press it, and like, give a comment. If there's anything you don't understand, you can also drop your opinion. Thank you so much for watching my video.